Ladies and gentlemen, after the sky has been set ablaze by Suryakiran, it's time to paint it in the colors of India's national bird, peacock. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, we would be witnessing display by 3 uniquely painted helicopters of the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. For the information of our spectators, our display team is named Sarang, which in Sanskrit means peacock. The helicopters, which you would shortly see, have been painted in a unique paint scheme, which utilizes vibrant colors and has the peacock superimposed on it. It will certainly add warmth, cheer and color to this occasion. Our team flies the state-of-the-art advanced light helicopter, also known as the Throne. Ladies and gentlemen, you can hear them coming. Presenting the Sarang in inverted wine glass formation led by Wing Commander Rabari Sheetal. Watch as the leader steeply pulls down. He will now turn on the spot and dip and salute the dignitaries and say hello to all the esteemed guests present here this evening. Leader is now positioning for a reverse flight, which is unique to helicopter flying. Keep your eyes glued as the leader will now actually fly through other 2 helicopters in a reverse flight. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, here we are, Sarang team for an aerial valley. So please sit back, relax and enjoy the show. As you now look to your left, you can see the team repositioning for a unique maneuver known as the Dolphin's Leap. Meanwhile, let me bring you closer to the team. The team is led by Wing Commander Rabari Sheetal, a rotary wing test pilot, qualified flying instructor and a graduate of Defence Services Staff College. Along with him flies squadron leader Rahul Singh Sodhi. Wing Commander K.S. Kakade, who is the deputy team leader, with squadron leader Prabhat Shukla, are in command of Sarang 2 as left member. Flying as right member is Sarang 3, piloted by Wing Commander Manjeet Singh Sidhu, with Wing Commander Kunal Girme. As you now look in front of you, Sarang is flying in a big formation. They will now shortly roll out towards us to perform a gravity-defying maneuver, which we call the synchronized Dolphin's Leap. So hold your breath and keep watching. Ladies and gentlemen, Stalton gets even more difficult when it is performed in unison with references for formation shifting from one helicopter to another all through the maneuver. While the team gathers for the next maneuver, let me highlight that the Sarang team is one amongst the few military helicopter display teams in the world. The team was adjudged as one of the world's 10 best display teams when it participated in the Al Ain Grand Prix held in the United Arab Emirates. Sarang was also adjudged as best looking close formation team in Berlin Air Show 2008. Since the team's formation in 2003, it has performed in Singapore, Chile, UAE, Berlin, United Kingdom and at numerous venues in India. Sarang is now flying in Line Aston formation to present the next maneuver. The formation has once again rolled out towards us to perform something different, something more thrilling this time. Sarang prepares for crossover break. What you heard was the leader giving a call to the members for crossover break. Let's raise the stakes as they will get lower, faster and closer this time. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath and look to your left and right. As they take on each other, head on for a vertical synchro maneuver known as the arrow. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the tempo of the display is going up. So please sit tight and watch closely. What appears next looks simple but requires precise judgment and accuracy. Sarang prepares for the diagonal cross, in which all three elements will be on a collision course and go through the opposite pair in the limited space available. No margin for any kind of error. Now let me take you to yet another level of excitement. This time Sarang comes head on once again for a synchro cross. As they cross each other, they will achieve a relative speed in excess of 320 kilometers per hour. So ladies and gentlemen, Sarang 1 and 3 from your right and Sarang 2 from your left. It is for this maneuver that our leader says, but for the rotors, we would have been closer. To add more flavor to the astonishing display of flying skill, Sarang 1 and 2 shall now be presenting with a set of synchronized pair maneuvers to exhibit the exceptional maneuverability and handling of advanced light helicopter.